So good morning children. Today I am going to introduce with a new chapter, that is Introduction to Division. Here are some points that you have to note down in your copy. Division is a repeated subtraction from the given number. The symbol used in the division is this. This is a symbol used for division. It has dividend, divisor and quotient. For example, 15, it is dividend. The number that we are dividing is dividend. By which we will divide is divisor. Divisor are how many small groups that we are making. Divisor are the small groups that we are making, okay? And dividend is the number that we will divide. And this 5 is the answer that we will get. It is known as quotient. For example, this is the number 15 that we have to divide, and we have to make 3 equal groups. 3 equal groups. So I will make 1, 2 and 3 groups. 1, 2 and 3 groups, okay? In this, I will put one object in each group till I get 15. I will put one object in each group till I get 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in each group, how many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects are there in each group. So the answer will be 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this 15 is known as dividend, and the divisor is the small groups that we are making, okay? The small groups that we are making is known as divisor, and the answer that we get is 5 in each group. So this is the answer that is known as quotient. To make you more clear, I am explaining you by making some groups, okay? Divide 16 into 8 equal parts. Divide 16 into 8 equal parts. So here I will make 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have made 8 parts here. Now I will put one object in each group till I get 16. I will put one object in each group till I get 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in each group, how many objects are there? 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you see this? In each group, 2 objects are there. So 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. So 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. In the same way, one more example. Divide 14 apples equally between 2 children. Now we have to divide this 14 apples equally between 2 children. So here 2 children are there. 1 and 2. So we have to divide the 14 apples equally between these two children. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have divided this 14 equally between two children. In each group, how many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 in each part. Therefore, 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. Okay? So children, try to understand this and do exercise 30.1, page number 135. Try to do this by yourself till number 5. Okay children? See here. These two already I have explained you in the copy. One more I am explaining you. Divide 18 books among 6 boys equally. So you have to make 6 groups. Okay, you have to make 6 groups and you have to divide this 18 by putting one object in each group till you get 18. Okay, so 18 divided by 6, you do, how much the answer you will get, that is the quotient. Okay, try to do it by yourself children.